Hello grade 3, welcome to our new science lesson. We are still in unit 3. Today we will start with lesson 2, what are some patterns in motion? Our objectives for today, to develop an understanding of regular patterns of motion and how future motion can be predicted from them, to plan and carry out an investigation to predict the motion of a pendulum, to discover patterns of a change and how these can be used to make predictions. Open your books on page 158. Some motions occur in patterns, others don't. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to provide evidence that patterns can be used to predict future motion. Can you describe the patterns of motion on a playground? I will give you time to think. Are you ready? Let's check your answers. Very good. A swing going back and forth, a student going up and then down a slide, or a merry-go-round turning in a circle. Now, my lovely students, please open your books on page 159. There are many types of motion at a carnival. A merry-go-round always repeats its motion. You can predict when you will see each horse again. A bumper car's direction and movement changes randomly with every bump. You cannot predict the next motion. Please go to page 160. Back and forth, up and down. Patterns, patterns everywhere. Patterns of motion happen when the same motion repeats itself. A rabbit hops up and down. A merry-go-round spins in a circle. A skier zigzags down a hill. A swing goes back and forth. We are still on page 160. Let's do question 2 together. Circle the pattern of motion in each set of pictures. Look at the cat's tail. How does it move? Very good. Back and forth. What other parts of this clock move? Excellent. The hands around the numbers on the clock. Now, look at the mixer and the paper windmill. How do they move? Very good. They are spinning. Now, let's go to page 161. How would you describe the motion of the baby swing and the elevator? Good students. Up and down. The baby swing and the elevator both go up and down. The elevator only goes up and down, but the baby swing can also move side to side. Now, how would you describe the motion of the children and the snake? Wonderful. Zigzag. They are both moving in a zigzag motion. Now, can you tell me what creates a pattern? Yes, a pattern is created when an object has the same motion that repeats itself over and over. Please don't forget to do question 3 on page 161. You have done good job. Thank you.